All right, we out here in LA. We got the young Scotty, the young Eli, and the big boy Gage here with us, as well as this guy right here for putting everything together for us. My man, Jacob. Want to give yourself a shout out? What's your Instagram stuff? You want to say anything to the people? All 150 subscribers, you know, because I'm totally famous now.
You can follow me at Parkour Jacob, Parkour, and then M-I-E-R, and I'll be probably the only one that pops up.
That'll be in the description down below.
In the description.
Ooh.
We're just training. We're on Saturdays, you know, having a good time.
Facts.
Trying to be more conscious about bringing masks and just like, I don't know, caring more about the COVID precautions and everything. But
Dope.
for the most part, from what we understand, as long as you're outside, the virus rate's pretty low, so just trying to be smart about it. But yeah, we're having a fun time.
Yo, chill. We got this guy right here. I don't know who he is. He's showing up. And this guy right here, if you don't know this guy, he's got the sickest Instagram handle. His name is Ferris Wheels.
Ferris Wheels.
What up, homie? Hey, tuck check.
Huh?
Tuck check.
Tuck check?
Ooh, so sick. Oh my God, Ned Dog.
What's up, what's up? What do you mean?
Oh.
Oh my God. It's scary.
You got it, you got it.
That's scary. It's like so good.
My audio was.
There was no audio.
My audio was good this time.
I watched the whole video in silence.
My audio was good this time. Thank you. Watch Jacob's farewell, come back almighty return thing. Watch today's video. Yeah. Because it's not gonna be today by the time this releases. It's gonna be up in that corner right there for you guys.
Not like for every subscriber, you get $10.
Oh, no. Yeah, out of Gage's pocket. Just so we're clear, for every subscriber, you're gonna get $10 if you subscribe, but Gage is gonna pay for that.
That's okay, it'll be like 20 bucks.
All right, well then, yeah, it's not gonna be a lot, so. Thanks. Yo, there we go. Oh, is it straight off the clock?
Oh, nice!
Nice.
Gotta get that first one out of the way. Shit. It's I No, I destroyed it there, and so when I push off really hard here, if it's like the slightest bit off, then it'll hurt really bad. I have to be like perfectly on the balls of my feet. Then I can do it, but. Yes! So. Don't look at what he's doing. I'm not affiliated. You can't do it.
I'm gonna test it. I haven't done a side pre in a while.
Oh, so good right there.
Right here.
Oh.
What a red.
Oh! Oh! Hey! I was like, ah, it didn't work. So whatever.
Like, bro, we're not meant to be here.
Welcome to a real parkour jam.
Welcome to Saturdays, bro. Welcome to Saturdays. Yes, bro. It's not as bad as I thought it was. Not at all. Let you go. It's not as bad. Yeah.
Good job, Leah.
Thank you.
Ah!
Oh, thank you.
Good bail, good bail. Can I have some power here, Leo?
You got this, bro. Right here.
Thank you.
Stick. It does it, bud. I find this more of like a mental thing. Oh!
Hands are all sweaty.
You got it. Just don't hold the weight inside your bicep. Hold it in your shoulders. See, that's your bicep that you're holding it in. So as you're holding here, you're keeping all the tension here.
Yeah.
So instead, let your arms relax and hold down here.
Like
Yeah. And then this way the drop, all it is a small pull and then reach. This way you can start momentum and then let go. Yeah. And then you're gonna have to grab and and that would be sick. Let's see. Yeah. So it's almost like you're falling back. So keep your toes on and almost allow yourself to fall back. Yeah. Scary?
No, my hands are just sore.
You got it.
Look, check it. It's so hot it gave me a blister.
Oh my
Ripped
goodness.
already.
Whoa! Are we just trying to go all the way up? From where? From... I don't know if I'll make this.
That one's a bit hard, man. This one's, it's still pretty hard, but just a little easier. I haven't got this thing yet. Yeah, or if you got like super good.
All bad. Everything.
Tape also.
I think he needs like gauze. It's
Oh, really?
yeah, it's pretty bad.
It's like it's open. It's like
Like, okay, so Nate, remember this one?
Like a drugstore.
But imagine bigger.
I can run.
Yeah. Like how deep that one was, but bigger.
She needs to go to a clinic.
yeah.
Yeah. Is he out?
Hey, you got something in your pants here. Got him. Dylan?
Haley, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, they went to.
I'm quite jealous.
Oh! There's a ride aid half a mile away I could go to.
Right back.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, priorities. Oh, we're gonna.
Wait. We gotta go this way. Can you turn for me? Yeah, that's that good stuff. This is the same.
Oh, I hope it doesn't get him out of flares.
This is
That would
the,
be so bad.
Yeah, let's not ruin the color scheme, man. Wait, what happened?
Whoa! It was pretty bad.
But he kept walking, so I don't know.
Hi, boo boo.
Oh my goodness, I love you. How you doing? I'm good. Good. Oh, happy. Love you.
You've just been out of my life, and I'm glad you're back. Holy snap, your hair is so majestic.
Yeah.
That looks so good. Give me some love.
Man, how you doing? I'm actually
With your hair down, it's been a bun every time I see you.
Yeah, I like hardly ever put it down.
This is like, yeah, this.
Hey,
Can I see it?
What's he?
Sure, yeah, here we go.
Oh shoot. Oh my God.
There we are.
Why are you so pretty? What the heck?
Just let it grow.
Yeah, dude. Damn.
Let it grow, and I
That-
didn't stop it.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh my God. Snap. It's the young Hudson. What up, boy? How you doing? Yeah, you look tired. Good, how about you? All right, you ready for this stride pre?
Can I stride free down first?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yo!
Heck though. Oh, that land.
There you go. Try swinging one foot.
Swinging one foot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go step or whatever it's called.
Kinda, yeah. Like a standing stride.
Okay.
Because it's not very big and you can make that, but then you don't have the same amount of power that you can give with 2 feet.
Right.
Yes, but you got to commit to both feet. Because your left foot didn't pull together.
The arm movement gonna be the same?
No, yeah. Everything's the same. There you go. So the idea behind this one is to just be able to drop into things. So you're not necessarily having to pistol squat and jump.
Okay.
It's more just like you're popping off your calf.
Right.
Go for the corner. I got you. Yeah. That exactly it. Now do it for the gram. There we go. Look at that. Much better. All right, now do the whole thing. Yes.
What are some of the challenges here?
You can side pre.
Side pre where?
1 to 2.
Oh, okay. I'll do 2 to 1 turn.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Tyler. Wait a minute. Look at that. Turn. Look at all of that right there inside this beautiful bun here.
Where it hides. I have 5 hair ties.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Here what is?
Yes, sir.
Ooh. Yeah,
It's okay.
it's all right. A little heavy, but I mean,
Yeah, you know, first thing of the day.
yeah, of course. That's scary. Oh God. That was super scary.
Gosh, bro.
Oh.
Again, so.
I told my,
Don't go yet! Don't go yet! Yeah, ever since
oh my God.
So man, you could have swung cork out of that.
Oh my God, it's so scary. Okay.
Big boy, let's go. You got it.
Oh boy, okay.
My favorite. Anytime I see one of those stores, I grab them. It's pretty good. It's almost like white.
Yeah, we got these in Arizona, didn't we? Yeah, those were bomb.
I see a Japanese one, I'm like, those are good. Oh yeah, that's it.
All right, Gage, you ready?
Good. There. Oh, I'm just kind of curious.
Oh yeah, there it is. There it is.
Like, oh. Dave's isn't bad. Better recording games. Every time I bite it, it's like. Another cry.
Oh no! No! Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Let's see.